Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today's video we're going to specifically talk about the Angelica root. What can you use it for, what it's been traditionally used for, and how can it help you in assisting your journey towards health and wellness. We're going to talk about some simple recipes that I personally use Angelica root for both myself and my family, and also talk about the tradition a little bit. I'll try to keep this video as short and simple. In the previous one I did talk about the leaves in particular, and I'll include the video about talking about the benefits and the uses of the Angelica leaves in the description box below. But the root, actually there's two species of Angelica that you can use the root for, and I highly advise you to do your own research when it comes to identifying what Angelica plant you would like. For example, today we're going to cover about the root coming from the Angelica species called A. sinensis. I will include that name, the Latin name, in the description box below so you do not get confused. So in regards to that species right here, the root is perfect for anyone suffering from iron deficiency, anemia, period problems as well, menstruation. Why? Because it's considered a great general tonic for the female reproductive system as well. Traditionally it's been used and given after childbirth to the woman after she has given birth. It could also be used to help in clearing the stagnation in the liver. In regards to its use in the traditional Chinese medicine, they use it to help in energetically and physically to help relieve or clear the pathway of the stagnation of the liver, and also relieving constipation as well. It's a lovely root that can be used in different ways, and the best way to use that root is to make a concentrated deconcussion. A deconcussion is different to a infusion. An infusion is more like of a simple tea that requires about 10 to 15 minutes of like infuse for the herbs to infuse in the boiling water, and that's it. You're ready to go sweeten and drink. A deconcussion is different. It's more of a stronger blend. It's more of a blend that takes you several hours if you are making it on super low heat, or if you would like to make it into a longer process. We will make a video in the next upcoming days talking about a deconcussion and showing you how to make it yourself. So you can use the deconcussion of this species of Angelica, the A. sinensis, and you can take it for things such as liver stagnation, weakness after childbirth, also for period problems and iron deficiency problems as well. And we've come to the second species, or the second strain of Angelica, which is called the Archangelica. It's mostly used for digestive and bronchitis problems, lung problems, issues with the digestion, flatulence, while the other one, the sinensis, is more for female problems. It's more for liver issues as well. This root Archangelica is for digestion and lung problems. It's actually used also to stimulate the appetite and to help with liver functions as well. Perfect for anyone suffering from joint pain, perfect for anyone suffering from rheumatism, and it works in a way that it promotes sweating to help in detoxification process as well. If you know that sweating is really important to help detoxify the body, and this herb does that. It can also be as a uterine stimulant. Now what does that mean? It actually stimulates the uterus. It's really important to know that any herb that is a uterine stimulant should not be used during pregnancy at all. At any stage of pregnancy, please do avoid using Angelica, specifically the Archangelica species of Angelica, because it can be quite detrimental to use. And if you are able to harvest this, simply go ahead and harvest it during the autumn season of the first year.